Hey everyone, this is a quick video to take you through the shelf button creator. I made it using ChatGPT, so I don't know anything about coding, so sorry if it doesn't work perfectly for you. But it's been really handy for me because I've been making lots of scripts for with ChatGPT and tools, and be able to just have like a UI that I can interface with, that I can go in here and I can literally paste in the script, and then basically save it, run it, add it, make a shelf button has been really valuable, and it's basically collects all your different tools here, and you got all the version numbers there. So just to get you started, basically I close that, and basically make sure that I have my script, and so you can either copy and paste it, or you can just literally load it into the shelf editor, the script editor, and run it. And basically it'll open up this, and you'll have a lot of different options. And what you want to do is make sure you want to set your folder. It will just set it in your Maya directory normally, and just ChatGPT shells, and you can basically set that as anything, anywhere you want. So it'll just remember it as well when you, if you close the file and you open it up again, it will remember where you set it. So just basically set and forget that, and then it will start adding to this list. I've also found that I've been working on one project, so it's good to maybe not just dump it all into one folder. Think about like a project you're working on, and then just uh, call it a certain name, and then when you're going to move on from it, maybe have a main repository or something like that, or a master repository that you use to add the main scripts that you're confirming that you've used. I just find it super iterative, this stuff, and especially how I do it. Okay, cool. So if I wanted to go in and add a script to this, I'll just making sure that I've told my script that I'm making to have a version number in here, and basically just name at the top and a version number, and the shelf editor should be able to sort of understand what version number that is, and basically add it on the list. But I'll quickly show you um, let's see if this is, yeah, this is, let's just get a script that I can find. Yeah, I'll get this one. This one should get it. It's got like a little coding thing at the top, and this should ignore the script. So I'm just going to basically copy this, paste, and post this just to show you what would happen if I copied a script. I can run it, and so it's going to open up that script I made, and I can detect the version number, and see it's done it right. So it said the version 1.3. It's got that, and then I'm just going to add and save and create a shelf button. And so that's just putting it up there, and it gives a little icon based on that. You can kind of go on and change whatever you want in there. But yeah, basically just takes a name. I actually don't know exactly how it comes up with the name. I just told it to make short names. So it's just doing something like that. And you'll see that at the bottom here, I've got my guy here. And if I close this now, and I go in and open up this, you'll see it's still here, there, which is really handy. And I just find it really simple to be able to come in here, paste this, either run the script, and then see if it's working, and then I just basically just delete it if I don't like it, or if I think it's working, I'll add it, and I want to collect them. I think that's about it. There's a few little tools down here that really help. You can just kind of run things from here. You can create shelf buttons from here based on the scripts you're selecting. Duplicate scripts as well, and you can open the file. That doesn't really do anything. It opens it up as a Python file, so that doesn't do anything. But you're not going to get rid of it at the moment. But yeah, I think it's pretty handy. So go ahead and use it as much as you like. Thanks.